Welcome to this week's edition of AGM's Artificial Grass Industry News, your source for the latest updates in artificial grass, turf technology, and market trends. Each week, we consolidate the latest industry and related national news into a clear, concise brief, available in the description below by joining our newsletter. Hi everyone, I'm Troy Scott's avatar, bringing the latest news for the week of September 22nd to 28th, 2025. Let's jump right into this week's biggest headlines. First up, California's turf debate keeps rolling. There's talk about using bamboo as a sustainable alternative to artificial turf. A reader wrote into the LA Times with that suggestion. At the same time, facility managers are weighing health concerns, things like PFASs and microplastics, against the maintenance and cost savings that turf offers. However, nationally and abroad, the turf market is showing no signs of slowing down. Recent reports say artificial turf could reach a massive $142 billion by 2032, with the U.S. forecasted to grow by more than 18% thanks to sports infrastructure and residential projects. On the installation front, significant contract opportunities are emerging. Knox County Sports Park in Tennessee is preparing a $2 to $5 million turf upgrade for 5 fields. Plus, Harrisburg, North Carolina, and several Florida school districts have greenlit new artificial turf projects of their own. When it comes to technology, smart features like temperature monitoring and turf made from up to 80% recycled content are now hitting the market. There are also turf options with no infill at all, so sustainability is absolutely top of mind for 2025. Let's walk through some highlights from the week, day by day. On Sunday, the buzz was around bamboo as a turf alternative. An eco-friendly idea making headlines in California. The Los Angeles Times publishes a reader letter suggesting bamboo as a sustainable alternative to artificial turf, highlighting the growing search for eco-friendly solutions amid California's turf controversy. Monday saw AGM launched our new YouTube briefing for a fresh perspective on industry trends. You're watching number 2 of this new feature. By Tuesday, market analysts pumped up the numbers, with forecasts driven by lower maintenance costs and sports stadium expansion. Zion Market Research is projecting the global artificial grass turf market could $142 billion by 2032, citing reduced maintenance costs and sports facility expansion as key drivers. Wednesday, Harrisburg, North Carolina announces a September 25th contract award date for synthetic turf project, with a November 2025 start date and a March 2026 completion target. Thursday, American Synturf showcased new premium products for homes and businesses. The U.S. manufacturer highlights product lines featuring heat-resistant fibers, UV-stable coatings, and enhanced drainage systems for commercial and residential applications. Friday was all about education, with Florida's Athenian Academy moving ahead with plans for a big turf field. Athenian Academy advances artificial turf field RFP and targeting 20,100 to 21,400 square foot installation for student athletics. Then on Saturday, the discussion centered on health and safety, especially balancing turf's benefits against worries about microplastics. Okay, here are a few quick industry trends to wrap things up. Residential projects now make up over 90% of turf installations. Homeowners are loving the easy care and year-round green grass. Premium installations are getting innovative features and mobile alerts. Additionally, water conservation continues to influence many decisions in areas prone to drought. We're also seeing advances in recycling, including fully recyclable turf systems. Now, let's take a look at the key factors driving the industry this week. Number 1, scrutiny continues over health and the environment, with California leading the discussion. Number 2, fast market growth, especially in the U.S. Number 3, lots of movement on big turf contracts from Knox County to Harrisburg. 4, new tech, including smart monitoring and recycled materials. Looking ahead to next week, here's what to keep an eye on. The Knox County Sports Park bid deadline is October 1st. Harrisburg, North Carolina is finalizing its turf contract. LA's upcoming turf ban discussion. How facility managers keep handling health and safety concerns. And preparation continues for the Synthetic Turf Council's annual conference. That's it for this week's AGM Industry Weekly News. We would greatly value your thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching until the end. For more insights and direct links to all sources, please take a look at the complete brief in the description or sign up for our newsletter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.